Hello and welcome to LearningEngineer.com, where we engineer learning for efficiency. My name is Michael Langdon, and today what I'm going to do is show you how to download and install and use LibreOffice. Now, LibreOffice is a free office suite that competes with Microsoft Office and Google Drive. I've used it many times. It works quite well. And so what I'm going to do is just go download now. So I'm obviously at www.libreoffice.org right here. So I'm just going to click that. And so here we are. Now this is for, like, if you're a technology early adapter, this version is for you. So this is the newest version, but it doesn't mean it's the most stable version. So I'm going to come down here to LibreOffice 6.0.7 and download it because I want a stable release. And of course they want you to donate. I'm not going to donate right now. Now I like to put everything into the desktop or a folder on the desktop, so I'm just going to put it in a new folder here and save it. And it is quite large. If you look down here, it's 262 megabytes. So now you can see that LibreOffice is finished downloading. I'm just going to go to my desktop quickly, and here's my new folder, and here is my LibreOffice install. Let me go to view and make my icons large. So here it is right here. So I'm going to double click on that. And I'm going to click Next. Now obviously you can do typical installs or you can do custom installs. It really depends upon your language and so on. And it's not a bad idea to go in to these custom installs and to see what they kind of offer. Now obviously most of this is going to be language. And as you can see, English, all the versions of English are being installed. And then of course there's different optional components here. And so, like, you can even put in an ActiveX control if you wanted to do them. There's a Windows Explorer extension. So if you really want to go into all of these, you can go into all of these and kind of look at what your options are. Generally the default is pretty good. So I'm just going to go with typical, or typical is pretty good. And I'm going to create a start link on the desktop. Now you can also have it load during system startup. This is a nice feature here because a lot of them just do it and they don't ask you. So, but I don't want it to, just like I don't want anything to load at startup. Now of course it asks you that because it has to make changes to your drive. So I'm going to click Finish. I'm going to close this. And we're going to find the LibreOffice. Here it is right here. There's our LibreOffice. And I also like to pin it to the taskbar. So I'm going to actually come down here and click on it. And here it's loading up. Now when you first come into it, it'll probably ask us what kind of document do we want to create. So there's presentation, there's a spreadsheet, there's documents, and so on. So as you can see, here they are. There's the writer document, the calc spreadsheet, the Impress presentation, the drawing, math formula, and base database. So this is pretty impressive. I'm going to go with the writer document, and we're just going to expand this out.